let's review some ways to stretch out those glutes during pregnancy. I'm Dr. Nichelle Goulet. I'm specialized in prenatal and postnatal movement. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with an elevated pigeon. And why I like this is because when we do an elevated pigeon, it allows our hips to stay in line. Whereas if we do it on the floor with our bump and how tight we might be, a lot of times it creates an imbalance in that pelvis. So I'm going to start off with a bench. You can use this on the couch or your bed. Bring your foot up onto that surface. The goal is to try to get to a 90-degree angle, but it's okay if that ankle is farther in because it's too tight. And then you're going to bring your chest up, hold your hands onto that surface, and take a couple deep breaths in this position. You can also push into the back heel of the leg that's down. And if this doesn't feel like enough of a stretch or you want more, you can drop down onto your elbows. Again, to make it easier, come up onto your hands, or take yourself out of that 90-degree position and make it a little less of an angle for your knee. So that's elevated pigeon. Some people don't like that. Another option is that you can do figure four, or maybe you're at a desk and this is the position that you're in where you can get that stretch the easiest. So what I want you to do is have one leg planted, bring your other leg up, your ankle to be on that opposite knee. You're going to put a little bit of pressure, not a ton, into the knee that is up into that bent position. You're going to bring your bump. Think about the lower bump coming up, almost as if you're zippering up your belly. Bring your shoulder blades back, slight pressure into that knee. Take a nice deep inhale. And exhale, press into that knee. Just slight pressure there. Another option is that you can do figure four on your back. So you can do this in bed or on the ground after you've been working out or doing some yoga. Come onto your back. Bring that knee, just like how we just did. So bring that knee into a bent position where the ankle's on the opposite knee. I'm going to pull behind this leg here. So leg that's down. The leg that's up, I'm going to push into. So I'm going to pull behind this knee, just a slight pull. Take this hand here and press into that knee that is bent. And same thing, I'm going to keep my shoulder blades down and back. And I'm going to inhale, exhale, and push into that knee. Now, a better way to get down and up is to actually roll. So I could just sit up, but that can be a lot on my core. So if I am in this position, it's going to be a little bit better to roll to the side and push myself up. So to get into those glutes, you can do elevated pigeon, you can do seated figure four, or you can do figure four on your back.